How to add link to TikTok videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the way to add link to TikTok videos. Without much ado, let's dive right into the video. First, open and launch the TikTok app on your device. Make sure you have updated the application. Now, make sure that you have signed into your account and tap on profile at bottom right corner to access your profile page. Tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Now choose Settings and Privacy at bottom of the screen. On the Settings and Privacy page, scroll to the bottom of the screen. Under Support and Account, tap on the Support button. Select Help Center. On this Help Center, you need to wait for a while until all the information gets loaded. Now you can search for the relevant topic. If you don't find here, you can also use the search bar at the top of the screen and type in add link to TikTok videos. Once you search for it, here are different kinds of information given. Simply scroll to the bottom and you need to get the helpful links, that is tap on the report or problem link. Now under report a problem, here is frequently asked questions. You can simply go through all of this and select a topic. You need to select video and sound. Here tap on order and now again order. Here it has been asked, is your problem resolved? If no, then click on the no button and then tap on need for help. Here you need to tell the feedback. So here you can simply write here that I want to unlock the feature to be able to add link on my TikTok videos. I need this to be fixed as fast as possible. And if you have any emails, then you can simply tap on the gallery icon and add the attachment or emails as well. Now tap on the submit button at bottom of the screen. After a while, your feedback has been submitted and later TikTok will help you to add link to your TikTok videos. You need to try whether your issue has been resolved or not and try reporting problem again and again if your issue has not been solved. So that is how we add link to TikTok videos. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos.